Buttonholes. There are various styles of buttonholes available. Place the button on the back of the automatic buttonhole foot and push the holder to hold the button. Buttonhole length is determined automatically. You can make fine adjustments to the buttonhole length by turning the adjusting screw on the buttonhole foot. Press the lockout key. For sewing machines without a lock key, turn off the power switch. Raise the presser foot lifter. Press the lever on the back of the foot holder and the presser foot will drop off. Place the buttonhole foot under the foot holder so the pin on the foot lies just under the groove on the foot holder. Lower the presser foot lifter to lock the foot in place. Raise the presser foot lifter. Draw the needle thread to the left through the hole of the foot. Press the lockout key to unlock the machine. For sewing machines without a lock key, turn on the power switch. Mark the buttonhole position on the fabric and place it under the buttonhole foot. Lower the needle into the starting point by turning the hand wheel. Lower the presser foot. Pull down the buttonhole lever as far as it will go. Make sure there is no gap between the slider and front stopper. Start sewing while pulling the needle thread lightly to the left. After several stitches, free the needle thread and continue sewing. The machine will stop automatically when the buttonhole is complete. Press the thread cutter button and the machine will trim the threads.